Welcome to Leader IS and Yashas tutorial, Navi Mumbai. Myself, Professor Suhas Sargar. These are the self-explanatory video of the State Board of Maharashtra, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2, Chapter number 4, Environment and Management. These are the self-explanatory video for the self-study of a student. What we are going to learn in this chapter or this video: ecosystem a review, environmental conservation, biodiversity hotspot, environment and ecosystem, environment and management. So what is ecosystem? What are its different components? Which are the types of consumers? What are the criteria for their classification? What may be the relationship between lake and birds or trees? What is the difference between food chain and food web? Think and answer. Write the name and the categories of each of the component shown in pictures. What is necessary to convert this picture into food web? Why? Ecosystem a review. Ecosystem is a formed by biotic and abiotic factor and their interaction with each other. Each factor plays an important role in the ecosystem. Producers like plants are important. Herbivores like deer, goat, sheep, cattle, horses, camels, etc., feeding upon producers are also important. Predators like lion and tigers, which prevent the overpopulation of the herbivores, are also qualified equally important. A questions may arise in our mind that whether the caterpillars found in nature, organisms present in filthy places, termites, insects present in dung are really useful. However, those organisms are also important through they are dirty. They are responsible for cleaning of the environment. It means that our existence is due to these factors present around us. Hence, we should care for these factors. See the pictures of food chain. Think, if the fallen foliage in forest, dead trees and carcasses in and around village had not been decomposed for years. Discuss Jivo Jivasya Jivanam. Which are the different topics level in the food chain? What is the energy pyramid? Let's think. A bird building nest on a tree feed upon the fishes is nearby pond. Whether this bird is a part of both, that is trees as well as the pond ecosystem, etc. Fill the blank boxes and display the completed chart in a classroom. Ecosystem. Paddy is cultivated on a large scale in various states of South Africa. Paddy fields are frequently attacked by grasshoppers. Similarly, the frogs are also present in a large numbers in the mud of paddy fields to feed upon grasshoppers, and the snakes are also present in thereby to feed upon their favorable food frogs. However, if frog population declines all of a sudden, what will be the effect of paddy crop? Question mark. Second, the number of each consumers will decline and which will increase. What will be overall effect on the ecosystem? Question mark. Can you tell what is environment? What is included in environment? First, relationship between environment and ecosystem. Environment is a broad concept. Physical, chemical, and biological factors affecting living organisms in any possible way is collectively called as environment. In short, the environment is a condition and surrounding. It includes many biotic, abiotic, natural, and artificial factors. There are the two main types of environment. One is natural environment and the other is artificial environment. Natural environment consists of air, atmosphere, water, land, living organism, etc. Continuous interactions occurs between biotic and abiotic factors. Their interactions are very important. Artificial environment is also affecting the natural environment directly or indirectly. Basically, the environment consists of two basic factors. First, biotic factor, and second, abiotic factor. The science that deals with the study of interaction between biotic and abiotic factors of environment is called as ecology. Basic functional unit used to study the ecology is called as ecosystem. Environment consists of many ecosystems. We have studied some ecosystem in earlier classes. A small pond is an ecosystem, whereas the earth is the largest ecosystem. In brief, the biotic and abiotic factors occupying a definite geographical area and their interaction collectively constitute the ecosystem. Which cycle is operated in environment? What is their importance? Environmental balance is maintained through continuous operation of various natural cycles like water cycle, carbon cycle, gaseous cycle like nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, etc. Environmental balance is also maintained due to various food chains of ecosystem. Human existence is totally impossible without the existence of nature. Hence, it is a basic responsibility of human being to preserve the nature without disturbing its balance. It is said that we have got this earth planet on lease from our future generation and not as an ancestral property from our ancestors. Hence, we should not forget to conserve it for ourselves and for future generation. Environmental conservation. Which factors affect the environment and how? What will happen if number of consumers in environment goes on increasing gradually? What will be the effect of industry established on the river bank on the river system, ecosystem? What some natural factors of environment and some artificial polluted factors harm the environment? It creates the imbalances between various factors of the environment and ultimately affect the existence of biotic factors. Observe and feel the information. Observe the environment around you. Complete the following flowchart. Factors affecting the environment, natural factors, man-made factors, etc. In box, the earth is sufficient to satisfy the everyone's need, but not the greed. At present, many environmental problems have been arised due to effect of various natural and artificial factors on earth. Environmental pollution is one of those main factors. Generally, contamination of any material is its pollution. Unnecessary and unacceptable change in the surrounding environment due to natural event or the human activities is called as environmental pollution. That is, the direct or indirect changes is a physical, chemical, and biological properties of air, water, and soil, which will be harmful to human and other living being, is environmental pollution. Various reasons like population, explosion, fast industrialization, and indiscriminate use of natural resources, deforestation, and unplanned urbanization are responsible for environmental pollution. Which are the types of pollution? What do you mean by natural and artificial pollution, etc.? Pollution is a broad concept. Various types of pollutions like that of air, water, sound, soil, thermal, light, pollution occurs around us. Ultimate adverse effect of all these is an existence of all the living organisms, and out of these, environmental conservation has become the need of hour. We have studied the air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution in detail in earlier classes. Based on that, the complete the following chart. First, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, components, gaseous, etc. See the chart. Now, in another box, do you know? Radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution can occur due to two reasons as natural and artificial. Ultraviolet and IV radiation are natural radiation, whereas the X-rays and radiation from atomic energy plants are artificial radiation. Chernobyl, Windscale, and the Three Miles Island mishaps are the major mishaps of the world till present. Thousands of people have been affected for long term due to these accidents. Some of the effects of radiation are as follows. Cancerous ulceration occurs due to higher radiation of X-rays. Tissue in the body are destroyed. Genetic changes occur. Wisdom is adversely affected. Why is it that the pollution control is important? Use your brain power. Need of environmental conservation. The general public is not aware about the rules of environment conservation. There should be large scale participation of the body people in environment conservation. It will be possible to answer the environmental problem only if the environmental protection conservation becomes an effective public movement. For this purpose, values like positive attitude and affection towards the environment, knowledge about it, etc., should be inculcated among the children since their childhood. This will help to make the future generation more aware about environment conservation and protection. So as to achieve this, it is necessary to increase the awareness through education. Today, all the developed, developing and underdeveloped countries have accepted the responsibility of environmental protection. Their efforts are in that direction. They have defined the future plans about environmental protection and have constituted the necessary laws. Peek into that history. In 1972, United Nations Environmental Program has been established in a conference arranged on a human and environment in which the environmental problems were discussed. Afterwards, in India, a separate environmental departments had been established after through a discussion on environmental problems. Ministry of Environment and the Forest is involved in planning, inducing and increasing awareness about environment and the forest through various programs since 1985. Complete the chart. Nowadays, we are observing the environmental degradation everywhere. Complete the flow chart given beside with the help of environment. Now, environmental conservation, our social responsibility. Since existence of the human, there is an interrelationship between human and environment. Humans step on the earth long after formation of earth. On the earth, human being prove its superiority as compared to the other nation animals with the help of the characters like intelligence, memory, imaginary ability, etc. Human establish the domination over the nature. Human utilize all the natural resources as much as possible in an attempt to live a satisfactory life. Human kept in a kept on snatching from the nature as much as possible, and this lead to increase in a problem. From this entire scenario, we can understand that the human has a crucial role in maintaining the environmental balance. If humans has disturbed the environmental balance, then human itself only can conserve and improve the quality of nature. Many times, general public is unknown that its activities are harmful to environment and thereby unknowingly many activities happen. How do the butterflies contribute to environmental balance? Do you know laws enacted about environmental conservation? The Forest Conservation Act 1980. The land reserve for forest conservation has been prohibited to use for any other purpose by this law. Example: permission of the central government is compulsory for mining activity. Any person who disobeys this law is entitled to imprisonment for 15 days. Environmental Conservation Act 1986. Purpose of this act is to control the pollution and punish the person or institute harming the environment. Any person or factory is prohibited by this act from releasing the pollutants in atmosphere beyond the permissible limit. The person breaching this rule is entitled for either 5-year imprisonment or fine up to 1 lakh. National Green Tribunal has been established in 2010 for effective implementation of environment related laws. Let us discuss. Collect the information about the Chipko movement and discuss between the two groups of your class about its importance in present situation. Internet is my friend. Sound pollution control and prevention rule 2000. Biomedical waste management of handling rule 1980 1998. E-waste management and handling rule 2011. In another box, always remember, as per the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, as per clause 49A, trading of the rare animal has been completely banned. As per the clause 49B, use of article prepared from skin or organs of the wild animal has been banned. As per the clause 49C, disclosure of the stock of the artifacts made from rare wild animals is compulsory. Now, the big story of a small man, Zada Molai Payong, is a highly comparable person born in nomadic tribes of Assam. Born in 1963, he is working as a forest worker since the age of 16 years. Once the large number of the snake died in the floods of the Brahmaputra river flowing by the village, as a preventive measure, the Molai planted the 20 bamboo plantlets. In 1979, the local social forestry department began a social afforestation project on 200 acres of land. Molai was one of the few forest workers who were looking after that project. Molai continued to plant the trees even after the completion of the project. As a result of his continuous work of planting and caring for the trees, the barren area witnessed a forest cover over the 1360 acres. 1360 acres. Today, this jungle of Kokela Mukh of the Jorhat district of Assam is the result of hard work for 30 years. He has been awarded with a prestigious Padma Shri award by Government of India for this unparalleled work. Now it is well known as a Molai jungle. Many people come together to destroy the forest, but a single person, if determined, can establish the new forest. Box close. Environment and conservation and biodiversity. Most harmful effect of environmental pollution occurs on living organisms. Have you seen some examples of these in your area? Our living world had been richly diverse. It considered of the varieties of the plants and animals. However, we are not able to see some specific animals about which we had listened from our earlier generation. Who is responsible for this? Biodiversity is the richness of living organisms in nature. Due to presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystem and genetic variation within a society. Biodiversity occurs at three different levels. Genetic diversity. Occurrence of the diversity among the organisms of same species is genetic diversity. Example, each human being is different from other. Possibility of wiping out of the species arises if there is a decrease in the diversity within the species whose members involve in sexual reproduction. Species diversity. Innumerable species of organisms occur in the nature. This is called as a species diversity. Species diversity include various types of plants, animals, and microbes. Ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is a form through the interaction between plants, animals, and their habitat and changes in the environment. Each ecosystem has its own characteristic animals, plants, microbes, and abiotic factors. Ecosystems are also two types of natural and artificial. There should be positive attitudes of human beings towards the environment for welfare of entire living world. For this purpose, the following roles are important. You can be conservator, organizer, guide, plant friends, etc. Describe about the role you wish to perform and your plans for that role. See in pictures the sacred groves. The forest conserved in the name of God is considered to be sacred, as called as a sacred grove. These are in fact the sanctuaries conserved by the societies and not by the government forest department. As it has been conserved in the name of God, it has a special protection. These clusters of thick forest are present not only in western Ghats of India but in the entire country. More than 13,000 sacred groves have been reported in India. Where are the such sacred groves in Maharashtra? Make a list and visit with your teachers. Box close. Enlist and discuss. Some symbols are given below. See the pictures. Find the meaning of those symbols in relation to environmental conservation. Make a list of the other such symbols. How can biodiversity be conserved? Protecting the rare species of organisms, establishing a national parks and sanctuaries, declaring some regions as bioreserves, projects for conservation of the special species, conserving all plants and animals, conserving, observing the rules, maintaining the record of traditional knowledge. Till now, we have studied the rules and regulation about environmental conservation and protection. In this lesson, many people in the society are voluntarily coming together to perform this noble work. Many institutions at state, national, and international levels are involved in this work. Voluntary organization and involved in international organization see it in the pictures. Now think and observe my role of in environment. First, control is a preventing the harm, stopping the harmful activities, changing the mindset. In conservation, we conserving the available resources. In production, revival of the harm factors of environment as well as attempting the innovations. In awareness, first we education, second guidance, third awareness, four imitation, fifth organization, and sixth participation. My role in environment in case of prevention, first preventing possible harms, designing new plans, factors harmful to conservation. Preservation, preserving whatever has been left over, remedies to prevent the further loss, preserving unknown regions, etc. Hotspot of biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied the 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with the sensitive spots. It includes the 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the total count. As far as India is considered, out of the 135 species of animal, 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region. About 1,500 endemic plant species are found in Western Ghat. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. Collect more information about location of these hotspots present in the world. The three endangered heritage species places of the country. See it in a box. The Western Ghats spread over the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Has been endangered due to the mining industry and search of natural gas. Habitats of Asiatic lion and wild bison of these regions have been under threat. Munnath Sanctuary of the Assam is under the threat due to the dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of that region are under the threat. Sundarbans Sanctuary of the West Bengal is reserved for the tigers. However, the tigers' population and overall local environment is seriously challenged by dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches, dogs for same, etc. Collect the names of extinct bird and animals of India and tell those names to others. Classification of the threatened species. First, endangered species. Either number of these organisms is declined or their habitat is shrunk to such an extent that they can be extinct in near future if conservation measures are not implanted. Example: lion tail monkey, laser floricans, rare species. Number of these organisms is considerably declined. Organisms of these species, being endemic, may become extinct very fast. Example: red panda, musk deer, etc. Vulnerable species. Number of these organisms is extremely less and continues to decline. Continuous decline in their number is a worrisome reason. Example: tiger and lion. Indeterminate species. These organisms appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavioral habit like shyness, there is no definite and substantial information. Example: giant squirrel, that is shekru. See the pictures of red panda. The speciality of the day, 22nd May, the World Biodiversity Day. Survey the plants and animals in your area and maintain a record about their characteristics. Do you know International Union for Conservation of Nature prepares the red list that contains the names of endangered species from different countries. Pink pages of this book contain the names of endangered species, while the green pages contain the names of the previously endangered but presently safe species. That's all about this chapter. Dear friends, we are from Leader IS and Yashas Tutorial, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Myself, Professor Suhas Sargar. These are the self-explanatory video for the self-study of a student. So please prepare and do your excellent work. Thanks for listening.